Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today we are diving review the 2025 Honda XRM 125 is here, and it continues to dominate the Underbone category with its perfect mix of toughness, reliability, and modern style. Known as one of the most versatile scooters in its class, this bike is built for both city streets and light off-road adventures. Engine and performance. Powering the XRM 125 is a 124.8 cubic centimeters air-cooled, 4-stroke engine. It delivers smooth power with excellent fuel efficiency, making it a perfect daily commuter. The manual 4-speed transmission gives riders complete control, while Honda's advanced PGM-FI system ensures efficient fuel delivery for better performance and lower emissions. Design and style. The 2025 model features a rugged yet sporty design with sharp body lines, updated graphics, and stylish alloy wheels. Its high ground clearance and durable frame make it ready for challenging roads, while the compact size ensures easy maneuverability in city traffic. Comfort and features. Honda has equipped the XRM 125 with a comfortable seat, bright LED headlight for night riding, and a reliable suspension system that absorbs bumps with ease. Its multifunctional digital meter keeps riders updated with speed, fuel, and trip information. Safety and reliability. With front disc brakes and rear drum brakes, the stopping power is strong and dependable. Built with Honda's proven reliability, the XRM 125 promises low maintenance and long-lasting performance. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda XRM 125 is more than just a scooter. It's a tough companion for both daily commutes and adventurous rides. Stylish, practical, and efficient, this Underbone machine continues to be a favorite for riders looking for durability and versatility. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.